Good morning. My name is Sanu. I am from Axldrone, India. I am the product and the project manager and taking care of the product development. Our company is based in Kochi. It's into drone development R&D, and we do develop our own indigenous drones. We are mainly into the surveillance sector. I mean surveillance drones, or we are new to the tethered drone also. And we do have agriculture drone that is called the F400. Our tethered drone is it can get an endurance up to 5 to 6 hours, like उसका endurance बोलता है मतलब flying time. So we have other surveillance drones like which is used in defense, which gives a range up to 10 to 15 kilometers. And we do develop our own RC, मतलब remote control. We develop our own product which can be used with multiple drones. And this is our new one. It's a demo drone developed for the delivery of medicines. This also it's developed for the military. We can use for any purpose like medical. Yeah, yeah. ये तो 10 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर रेंज मिलता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन द रिमोट कंट्रोल विच वी यूज. सिंस वी आर यूजिंग आवर ओन रिमोट कंट्रोल दैट कैन गिव a range up to 15 kilometer, and this one height up to 150 meter. As per DGCA control it's only up to 120, but ceiling height होता है. And we can cover area up to 15 kilometer depending on the battery we are using. Currently we have tested up to 3 kilometer. Okay, this same one we can set up for instead of normal delivery like Swiggy, Zomato delivery. There is a dropping mechanism here which will handle the dropping. Okay, that's one. And we do have this camera surveillance which developed for the military. This is connected to the back. The battery will be inside that. You can mount it on your head. Okay, and you can use that for a remote area surveillance. Okay. Yeah, thank you.